Oppo launched its new 5G phone under K series in India called Oppo K12x, and it is completely different from the Chinese version that was launched back in May this year. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo K12x 5G features a tall 6.67-inch HD Plus display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1000 nits of peak brightness support, and the screen is protected by Panda glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, which is expandable up to 1 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Oppo K12x 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 32-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel portrait lens with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5100 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14, based on ColorOS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant for drop resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.7mm, and it weighs around 186 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo K12x 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 12,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 15,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from August 2nd in breeze blue and midnight violet color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo K12x 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.